Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact problem. Open the Mega app and note the transfer quota message and reset timer. Once done, immediately pause all uploads and downloads and turn off background sync so you don't keep consuming quota. Make sure you sign out any other devices that might be syncing automatically and clear the app cache. This prevents repeated attempts that use up remaining bandwidth. These first steps stabilize the situation and prepare you for the only immediate fix. Now you move to the decisive step, upgrading to a Pro plan. Open the Mega app or the Mega website and pick a Pro tier that matches your transfer needs because paid plans expand transfer allowance instantly. Complete the purchase through Google Play or the Mega web checkout and confirm the payment method. Once the upgrade is processed, check your account settings to verify the new transfer quota. This is why the upgrade works. It directly increases your bandwidth allowance and avoids waiting for. Finally, restart the Mega app and resume your previously paused transfers. Run a test download to confirm the increased quota is active. Make sure to monitor transfer progress and keep background sync off until your confident usage is stable. If the purchase fails or the quota isn't updated, clear Google Play cache or try the web checkout with a different payment method. And if problems persist, contact Mega support with your account ID and receipt so they can reconcile the payment and restore your allowance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.